Hey folks, want to do a quick review on these Amerdeco 3-pack privacy knobs. These are the ones that are in the champagne bronze color. And the reason that I got these is because we had redone our bathroom and we had purchased these Delta faucets in the champagne bronze. So I can't remember exactly what faucets these are, but I think these may be, I can't remember what the name of them are, but anyway, it's the champagne bronze color, and this is with the Lumicoat color, or the Lumicoat coating on her. So I think it matches pretty good. This is in kind of the light from the mirror there. And I'll take it over here in the more of the natural light here where the window is, and you can see. So this is next to the tub filler, but looks pretty close to me, and it's a nice looking knob. I just needed them for 2 closet doors in the bathroom, but that's what the color is, and I needed them to replace a couple of this bright bronze there. This is the same color there on the towel holder, so you can see that that's pretty close there. And then over here you can see where I've already got one of them installed, and they work just down here. They work very nice. I did install the locking mechanism on the inside of the door. Doesn't really matter in this application. The other locks were Schlag brand, and these fit back in the hole, and the same little mortise area in here. Everything worked out perfect. Same thing for this in here. Everything, all the screw holes and everything lined up just perfect. The only thing that was different is this part right here. You can see, well, actually no. Actually that's the same. I thought maybe on the Schlag it was that was bronze color or brass color, but it's silver, and that's silver also. So you can see it has positive latching, and so overall very pleased with it. I think it has a nice look to it. There's the knurling on it, the finishing on everything looks nice, and yeah, so just had my day, but so far everything looks super nice. All right, thanks for watching.